Hello everyone, today we'll see how to extend your CRM agent using REST API tools in Microsoft Copilot Studio for real-time external data access. Now consider an example. Your sales team need live data like currency conversion. Dataverse doesn't store it and keeping it internal add maintenance. But with REST API, it solves in real-time accuracy. Let's see how. Step 1. In Copilot Studio, navigate to Tools, choose Add Tools and select REST API. Step 2. Upload the prepared OPS specification for the external exchange rate API, which defines the available endpoints parameter and expected response structure. Step 3. Configure authentication based on the API security requirements, such as no authentication, API key or OAuth. Step 4. Select the required API operations and provide meaningful description so the Copilot agents understand when to invoke each endpoint. Step 5. Publish the REST API tool and create the connection. Step 6. Select the appropriate agent model, then test the agent by asking currency related questions to validate the REST API integration. Now user can ask things like convert $10,000 into euros or compare other currencies, and the agent responds instantly using live data. That's how REST API tools make your CRM agent smarter with real-time external intelligence.